Hey beauties, it's Mariel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get this summer shimmery look. So if you guys want to see how I got it, then make sure you keep on watching. So for this look, I used two of our newest palettes, which are perfect for summer. I used the Summer Edit palette and our Sweet Electric palette. So enough of that, let's get into this look. So I've already primed my eyelids and I'm gonna go in with the shade Latte right here, which is a light tan color, and I'm just gonna use that as my crease color. And I'm using our number 21 blending brush. Next, I'm gonna be going into the shade Dreamcatcher right here, which is a more peachier shade, and I'm gonna be using our number 11 brush and packing that all over my lid. So I'm gonna be going into the shade Raisin right here, which is a more kind of browny shade, and I'm gonna use that on the outer part of my eye just to add some depth. And I'm using another 21 blending brush. On a flat brush, I'm gonna be actually spraying it with the Rose Makeup Fixer just to make sure that it really picks up the pigment, and I'm gonna be using the shade Syrup right here and packing that right onto my lid. And I'm focusing the shade Syrup more on the outer part of my eye because I'm gonna go in with another shimmer on the inner corner. I'm gonna wet my brush again. I'm using another flat brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Plastic right here and apply that to the inner part of my eye. So just to deepen things up a little bit on the outer V, I'm gonna go in with the shade Millennium Bark right here. So now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna move on to some mascara really quick, and then we'll finish the rest of the face. Moving on to face, I'm gonna be using the Sweet Electric palette, which has the Cocoa Bronzer, Crazy Pink Blush, and our Blissful Highlighter. I'm using our number 27 brush to bronze the face. And now for blush, I'm actually gonna be mixing two shades. So I'm gonna go into Charm in the Summer Edit palette, which is the shade right here. And I'm also going to mix that with Crazy Pink. I love how Crazy Pink has like a sheen to it. Gives it a really nice effect. To highlight, I'm gonna be using Blissful. This is one of my favorite shades. And I'm also gonna apply this to my inner corner and brow bone. Next, I'm gonna go in with our mattifying makeup fixer. I like this especially for the summer because I have more oily skin, so it'll help keep me more mattified. So our mattifying makeup fixer does have a kind of shimmery formula to it, but it's the mica that's in here that actually helps keep you looking mattified, so it's not gonna leave you looking shimmery. Moving on to lips, I'm gonna first line my lips with our Copper Lip Liner. Since we left the eyes pretty neutral, I'm gonna go in with a pop of color for my lips. So I'm gonna be doing a combo of our Atlantic City liquid lipstick mixed with our Sunset Beach liquid lipstick. And to finish off my lips, I'm gonna be going in with our lip gloss in the shade Bali. And that is the final look, guys. She glossy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below for what was your favorite part of this video. Also, make sure you guys subscribe and be sure to hit the bell to be notified the next time we post a video. Bye, beauties.